After installing SSL, adding bindings, and redirecting HTTP to HTTPS URL redirection, you can confirm using this tool or using this website whether HTTP to HTTPS rewrite is applied or not to that website. Okay, suppose you want to know whether HTTP to HTTPS redirect is applied or not. Okay, you can check that from here. Okay, make sure you mention your website name here, youtube.amchannel.in. okay, and click on check. It will take a couple of seconds and it will show you the result, and the result is your page successfully redirects to HTTPS version. Okay, so there might be some other tools similar to this which you can use to check whether this redirection is applied or not. Okay, thank you again.